What up, LiveLean Nation? Just outside here in my backyard. I'm gonna get in a workout. I'm babysitting Kyla right now, so Jessica's not here, so I can't get to the gym. So Kai, you wanna come do a workout with Daddy? Say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
You gotta look in the camera and make eye contact. You gotta connect with the followers. Hi, vlog.
No.
Say hi, vlog.
No. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Okay, 1, 2,
1, 2, 5.
5. What about 3, 4?
1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8,
That's close. So the workout I'm going to do today is a sandbag style workout. So if you don't know what a sandbag is, this is actually a sandbag here I got from Ultimate Body Press, and I'll put a link down below if you guys want to grab one. So let me just show you what's inside here. You got the snaps that hold the water in place, and then you have these water bags here. So you see right here, just take that nozzle off, put it in under your tap, fill the baby up. So this is, I think, about 14, it says 13.5 pounds, but I weighed it myself with water about up to here, and it's about 14, 15 pounds. And I got 3 of those babies in here. So this is about 45 pounds, but actually feels much heavier because of the instability of the water. So if you think about it, guys, with the water swishing back and forth in these bags, you've really got to keep your core extra contracted. And that's what I love about sandbags, water bags. It makes the instability of the exercise so much more challenging. So when you're done, your core is just on fire. So I'm going to show you some of my workout. Let's go. I find it's much more convenient to have a water bag than a sandbag, because a sandbag, when you deliver to you, there's no sand in it, so you have to go to the hardware store to go get sand. Of course, if it's a water bag, you got water in your house. Fill it up, and we're ready to go. So seriously, guys, you know I'm a gym guy. I love going to the gym to get my workouts in, but as a parent, busy parent, with 2 kids on the go, can't always get to the gym, so sandbag comes in handy when that happens. So this is a piece of equipment that I would have at home in case I ever need to, you know, get a good workout in. So again, I'll put a link down below if you want to pick yourself up one of these bags. And I got a bunch of exercise demos for these for the sandbag over on our other YouTube channel. Yes, we have a 3rd YouTube channel, LiveLeanTV Daily Exercises, where we upload new videos every day of new exercise demonstrations. And I got a few sandbags over there, sandbag exercises over there, I should say. And I think I just got the workout done perfectly in time because it's gonna start raining here in Southern California. Time to go in, get some recovery in me, some food, and crush the day. Whoa! Guy. You had your ponytail in, but you took it out. Crazy hair. What's that? Ooh, picking weeds, Kai? You're making your allowance, aren't you? Good girl. And I swear, people, like, we actually do her hair. But when we take the headband out, or the whatever, the twist tie. I'm a dad. When we take her ponytail out, her hair just goes crazy. I know it's one of the favorite things for you guys to talk about, is Kyla's crazy hair all the time. We're not neglecting our daughter's hair, I promise. Bake zucchini fries. Preheat the oven 425, then slice up your zucchini into fries, pat them with paper towel, add ½ cup of almond flour, tablespoon of Italian seasoning, ½ a teaspoon red pepper flakes, ½ a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Beat 2 eggs together, dip the zucchini in the eggs, then dip it into the mixture. Add them to the baking sheet in single layer, bake for 13 minutes, then flip, then bake for another 12 minutes. Herb green beans, ½ a cup of diced celery, 1/3 cup diced onion. Boil an inch of water in a steamer, then add all the ingredients to the steamer and steam the vegetable mixture for 7 minutes. Remove from the steamer and add 1 teaspoon of rosemary and ½ a teaspoon of basil. And sea salt, then add some pepper. Enjoy. Next up, lemon pepper broccoli. Have a cup of broccoli, steam it for 5 minutes, remove it from the steamer, top it with ½ a juice of a lemon, and then some pepper. So as you guys see, I also have a heavy bag here in the garage that I like to beat around whenever I feel like I need to just get in a good cardio workout. Hey! 1, 2, 3. Hey! I got the pull-up bar right here, which I'm sure you've seen Jessica using. I use this as well. We got Kyla's little gym here. We got a little trampoline that she likes to jump around on. She also likes to get her cardio in on her scooter. Okay, guy. Whoa! Okay, you just love playing with light switches, don't you? You made light! Turn the light off.
What you put that
Okay, let's go! Get over here. Where's your pets? It's a disaster. It's a disaster. So sometimes you just hit this stage in your life where you gotta say, it's time to say goodbye. I love you. We've had a lot of good times together, but we need to move on. So, these guys are finding a new home. We've had lots of good workouts together, but it's time to donate, you guys. So if you guys are in Southern California or specifically in Temecula and you go to a secondhand store, you might be able to cop these boys for free. Damn, those are some nice kicks. And we're getting rid of all these clothes. So hopefully somebody's gonna be styling.
So both kids just woke up from a little nap and I'm doing a little stretching here in the living room. And just, I think like one important thing to notice is I'm still wearing jeans and whatever. You don't have to always be in the perfect outfit or in the perfect setting to get a little mobility work in. So I'm just with my kids.
Cody, say what's up.
Get them comfortable.
Just
doing some
you just
stretching.
woke up.
Say hi.
You say crazy hair, don't care. Oh, Codester.
Oh yeah. The kids find it entertaining or they just ignore me. But oh, it feels so good to just stretch in the middle of the day. Body needs it. No, okay. Oh.
So bendy, boo.
Cody smiled.
Is mommy so cool, Codester?
Peekaboo. He likes the peekaboo push-ups. Do you want to see? Watch this. Ready, Cody? Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Mommy. Is that your favorite book? What's your book called?
Big sister.
Okay, your book called Big Sister? Are you a big sister now? I'm a big Oh. Oh, did Daddy ruin it?
How dare you?
Bad Daddy.
Tell him, bad dada. Say bad dada.
Codester doesn't think I'm bad. Hey, Cody, pound it. Pound it.
Put it.
Thanks, Dad. So guys, I challenge everybody right now that if you're at home and you just don't feel like moving and you're watching TV, get off the couch and crush a few push-ups like this little one right here. Get it.
Hey.
Hey!
Oh, boob shot.
Oh, booby shot. Ooh. Kai, do you forgive Daddy?
No, Daddy.
Give Daddy a little smooch to say, I'm sorry, Daddy.
No.
Or you just ignore?
No, vlogging.
No vlogging? You
No
don't want?
vlogging.
You don't want to vlog? Okay, Daddy will turn it off.
Cody wants to.
Coaster.
No.
Oh, now you want it.
Hey!
Hey!
What up, peeps?
Slap a like on this video for Codester. I'll make you laugh for the vlog. You're not really that cranky.